Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again. Today we're going to be going over Haier. It's a newer company to the US, but it's one of the biggest manufacturers in the world for appliances. They're a Chinese company. They actually just acquired GE Appliances, so just the GE appliance sector. So they worked well together with a lot of different things, and we're going to kind of dive into some of these and kind of give you a quick overview. I think at all the big box stores, you're going to start to see more Haier around, as you may have already seen them. So let's go in real quick on the stove. We're going to include all the model numbers in the description below, guys. So this is their slide-in style. This is electric. It's a 4-burner. You got 2 expandable elements here, and you got the 2 other burners in the back. No warming zone on this one. It's kind of their entry-level slide-in. Price point on Haier is going to be pretty aggressive compared to a lot of other slide-ins on the market. So good package price for everything, and we'll kind of go through the pricing here in a second. Stove, black interior, kind of what we're used to with GE. No exposed heating element down there on the bottom. Let me see if I can get a light on this thing. Here we go. No heating element exposed at the bottom. It's got the same self-clean option. You could add a little cup of water to the bottom to kind of help break apart that stuff. This is convection, and look at that heating element. Nice long heating element on the top as well. It's got the meat probe option too for your turkey. You can actually put this turkey baster, or the thermometer rather, into the turkey, and it kind of tells you the temperature of the bird right away. So really cool. Partnered with GE. GE does really well on their cooking products. Real big fan of GE cooking. Same thing with Haier. The dishwasher here, kind of similar to what we've seen in GE. Stainless steel tub. Top here. These racks do lower one option down, so you got another there too to lower this if you want to. Same disposal setup. This does have a heated dry, just like your GE models do. This should have the Piranha food disposal. No handle on this guy. It's got all your controls right up top here. You could do top or bottom zone only. Cool feature that GE came out with a while back, but they're bringing it back into the Haier line. Microwave, no handles on pretty much anything except your stove. Looking at this here, it's a pocket handle on the side, opens like that. It's got your express cook options, your different levels. It's got a lot of different features for reheating, defrost, clean potatoes, steam. Does have Wi-Fi connect. It's got the nice glass finish too. Same thing on the stove. Nice glass, reflective. And on the interior, dark interior on the inside of this guy. In the fridge, I'm gonna plug this guy's in real quick, and we'll take a look at it. All right, guys, and this is the refrigerator, obviously. So this guy, no handles on the front. It's got recessed handles, so no outside handles. They're just the recessed. Does it have the fingerprint resistant stainless steel? Pretty nice. The interior here. LED lighting across the back here. It's got your temperature control, freezer and fridge, your water filter, turbo cool. Turbo cool will crank up your compressor. If you leave the door open, like stocking your refrigerator, it'll crank up your compressor and allow it to kind of cool down a little bit quicker. Similar to what we see in GE, slide out shelves there, keep things upright. It's got your water dispenser right on the side, water filter in the back corner, just like what we've seen kind of in GE. Gallon storage bins, looks like you got 2 there, another 2 on the side here. Down below, does have a built-in ice maker down in the bottom, so this will dispense ice. And you get your extra storage bin. Looks like this does divide, depending on how you want to divide things up. Really cool line, guys. Should be a little bit less expensive than GE product. But yeah, it's coming to a store near you. We have these out of box. Really good pricing on these. And thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.